How to sign in to your Instagram account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily sign in to your Instagram account. So first just head over to any of your browser if you are using PC. So let's get started or open the instagram.com official website. So once you're inside here, basically you just have to enter your phone number, username or email address which are you use to register your Instagram account. So once you enter that, you just have to provide your password correctly, just like this. If they are correct, you can simply click on this login button over here to successfully sign into your account. And if you don't have an account yet, you can just click on the sign up button to register or create a new account from scratch. And if you ever forget your password, you can simply tap on this forget your password button over here and simply enter your registered email address, phone number or username, and they will be sending you the OTP link, and you can easily change your password from over here as well. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.